Good morning, everybody. We are on our way to Glacier, but first, coffee, of course. We're going to this cute camo little hut on the side of the road, basically. The Greenstone. Oh, it's 8 a.m. and we are gonna do it today. We're doing it. I think a total of like 5 miles ish. Grace, we're making it through. We were huffing and puffing a little bit, and this man walked by and he was like, "If you're huffing now, just wait."
Yeah, it was like a million years old, so.
Okay. So today we did a 6-mile hike to Avalanche Lake, and that's what you've seen the end of. And it was pretty cold, and the weather held out for us though, and by the time we were done with the hike and got back to the car, then it started raining, so we got pretty lucky. And yeah, it was a great hike though. We're driving and somebody drove by us and told us to roll down the window, and we thought they were going to say something was wrong with the car, but he asked, "What part of Rhode Island are we from?" I said Providence, and he said he was from Johnston, so LOL, all the way out here. That's so funny.